welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson, and today we're going to be testing out some Oreo Truffles. And today's recipe comes from the website OMG Chocolate, right? OMGChocolateDesserts.com, which I love that name. And I found this recipe on Pinterest. I will leave the link to the written instructions down below. They look really easy to make and they sound really delicious. So if you're interested in seeing how these turn out, just keep watching. All right, so I started off with my Oreos and put them in a baggie, and I didn't realize how much it was going to shake the camera by using the roller. And then I thought about it, and it's so much easier to use a food processor, so I went and pulsed those for a little bit and got the really nice fine crumbs that she was describing. And then she said she uses her hands to mix the cream cheese in, so that took a while, and it didn't get as moist as I thought it was gonna get. So as you can see, it's kind of dry when I'm pushing it all together. But then I just rolled it flat and popped it in the freezer for like an hour and then cut out my little heart shapes. And I ended up getting about 15 of them. I had to re-roll the dough, I think like twice, and then ended up getting my 15 hearts, which after I rolled it back together was really, really difficult to make it stay together. But yeah, and then I melted some white chocolate and dipped them in batches of like 2 or 3 at a time, taking them out of the freezer as I did that to keep them from, I guess, melting. She just made it really prevalent to take them out in batches. There's my really awkward shot of what it looks like on the inside. So here's all the Oreo truffles that I got after they were in the freezer. Oh, I should have counted them. I got 15 of these bad boys. I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a taste. Wow, they taste just like Oreos, which I kind of expected with the white chocolate coating. I feel like if you are an Oreo lover, you will absolutely love these. I do get a majority of that creamy, center-filled flavor, not so much a huge, deep chocolate, which is what I was thinking that these would taste like. But these are definitely a winner. I would rate these probably like a 7 just because of that. It's more of a subtle chocolate. I would call this a cream and cookies rather than cookies and cream. I'm glad that we tried these out. My kids are gonna adore these. Let me know if there's anything else that you guys want tested. I will go ahead and take any suggestions down in the bottom bar below. And thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.